Hello, my name is William Hoover. I graduated from Indiana University in the spring of 2018. I did my student teaching at William Fremd High School back in Palatine, Illinois. My views of technology are that it is a fantastic tool all teachers should look into. I also believe it should be seen as an add-on, not a main course builder. For example, instead of having your entire lesson plan based around a Khan Academy video, you could have that on your teacher website as a helping tool for your two students to look back to. The next part of this video is to show you my 5 best artifacts. Up first is my ebook. The ebook is a program made by Apple, actually called the iBook. The iBook is such a great program because it allows you to create a book that looks just like the one you'd have at home or in the classroom. iBook also allows you to email it to anyone on the internet. This is due to it becoming a PDF file once it is finished. My iBook is an astronomy iBook built for 9th to 12th graders in an astronomy class. It teaches them the size of our solar system and universe. Up next is my WebQuest. I made this as a lesson for finding the area of a function for Calculus 1 students. In my WebQuest, I go step by step showing students the process behind finding the function all the way up to finally getting the answer. I show this with a multitude of videos and pictures to help them better understand this hard subject in calculus. My third is my concept map. I built this concept map for finding the area of shapes and other basic geometry ideas. I built this concept map with a program called Inspiration. Inspiration is a great tool because it allows me to create a very widespread presentation-like view. This is so helpful because it allows me to check off each bubble once I've known I've finished that subject. The fourth is my teacher website. My teacher website is found on the link I've already sent you in my previous email. It tells you about me, also gives you a calendar, tech resources, class materials, assessments, student projects, and a newsletter. Each of these are different ways I can connect to my students and help them with whatever help they may need in my class. And finally, my case analysis. For this, my teacher gave me a problem another teacher in the area was having. Mr. Mark wanted to bring technology into his geometry class, but had very limited funds to do so. In response to this, my partner and I helped him by finding a multitude of videos, online games, and a program called SketchUp to help him and his students with geometry.